Hello and welcome back to another Moon Boots tutorial video. As always, my name is Guy and I will be your tour guide today. So, today I'd like to run you by a little feature we call the Invites tool. To get there, you will go into Operations and click Users, and then you'll scroll down to Invite New Users. Now this is exactly what it looks like. It is an email composition tool. Here you can input as many emails as you'd like by typing an email and hitting enter. Add another one and hit enter. When you are satisfied with your recipients, you can compose your message here. You can use all of the rich text editing features that you are familiar with from the post composition box on the discussion. You can add bulleted lists, you can add links to articles from around the web, you can embed media imagery, and create bold headlines and everything like that, so you can actually create a very rich experience for your invitation. When you are satisfied with yours, let me see if I can pull this up. And let's go here. Maybe I want to add my logo. All right, just go ahead and drag and drop to resize. Looks good. Awesome. Maybe I want to add some multimedia that I found from around the web, or maybe my own website. Okay, we'll get people excited about joining the platform with a cool picture of a gathering. Okay, that's a little bit big for an email, so let's go ahead and resize it. Maybe I want to center it. Maybe I don't. Oh. And that's essentially it. If you want to bring some attention to a particular line, you can embolden it, make it big, and essentially treat it like you're composing a blog post. When you are satisfied with your email, all you have to do is click send. When you click send, that email is immediately sent out to whoever you placed in the emails box. And quite literally, that is it. We built this feature to make it easy for you to invite as many people as you would like to join your platform from within the platform itself, rather than forcing you to sign up for a MailChimp or one of the other email clients, or to hand compose it one by one in your email account. We built this feature to streamline and make easy the ability to invite people to your platform. So we hope you guys find this feature useful, and we can't wait to hear about it and get some feedback. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me on another tutorial video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.